I can't let you guys out because the little puppies are out and you'll tromp them. Sorry. I'll put them up in a little bit and you can come out and play. Roxy, this is for you. Sorry, it's going to be a short one. Soren! Soren! Get back, girls. Get back. I'm coming in with you. There. Oops, I'm sorry. I am so sorry. Ooh. What are you doing walking back and forth? Come see me. Where'd the green ball go? What'd you guys do with it? It's not in there. Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. Let's go get it. Let's go get it. Get it. Get it. Get it, Soren. Get the ball. Come on, Soren. Get the ball. Good boy. Get down, Twist. Go get the ball. Go get the ball, Daisy. Go get the ball, Daisy. Go get the ball. Where's the ball? Ziba. There you go. That's it. Bring it. Bring it. Okay, ready? Go. Bring it, Daisy. Ready? Go. Say hi, Mom. Oh, everybody's gonna go potty for the camera today. Do that again. Do that again. Do that again. Yeah, that. Crazy dog. Shake it, Daisy. Shake it. Ready? 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 Dawn, you're gonna love this one. You guys just standing over there being haved. How come? See, everybody was taking a nap. Mommy came out with the camera. Okay.